Nova Scotia drivers face unpredictable weather, especially in winter. But even during storms, everyone is expected to drive safely. In the case of a car accident, insurance companies look closely at how people were driving in those conditions, not just at the weather itself. Even on icy roads or in low visibility, you can be found at fault if you were going too fast, following too closely, or you were not properly prepared for the conditions. Your choices behind the wheel usually matter more than the storm when it comes to deciding responsibility. In Nova Scotia, no matter who is to blame, Section B no-fault benefits can still help with medical treatment and some income loss after a collision, up to the policy limits. If you've been hurt in a weather-related crash, talking to a personal injury lawyer can help you understand how the conditions and your driving may affect fault and what you can claim.